Standard on 4Runner Trail, Multi-Terrain Select is a system that helps regulate wheel spin in order to provide the maximum amount of traction for any given off-road scenario. Multi-Terrain Select seamlessly integrates the vehicle's powertrain, drivetrain, and VSC, A-Track, and ABS systems and helps provide driver assistance. Multi-Terrain Select is activated using a switch on the overhead console. By turning the dial on the control switch, the driver can select from 4 off-road terrain modes: mud and sand, loose rock, mogul, and rock. Once a mode is selected, the accessory meter will display directions for engaging the correct four-wheel drive mode. For the mud and sand mode, the transfer lever must be in high 4 or low 4 position. In this mode, no operational guidance will be displayed in the accessory meter. When either the loose rock, mogul, or rock modes are selected, then the transfer lever must be in low 4 and the accessory meter will display instructions either to stop the vehicle and shift the transmission to neutral or to shift the transfer lever to L4. Depending on the terrain mode selected, the system will apply engine output and hydraulic brake pressure controls specific to the requirements of that terrain. When in mud and sand or loose rock modes, the system will apply moderate to low levels of control to help limit wheel spin and ensure forward momentum. Examples of situations where the driver would select either of these 2 terrain modes include sand, loose soil, gravel, or deep snow. When either the mogul or rock terrain mode is selected, MTS applies a high level of engine output and hydraulic brake pressure control to help prevent wheel spin and ensure grip. Depending on the mode, the control level is adjusted properly. Let's look at these examples in detail. The natural tendency for a driver when traversing a sandy embankment would be to accelerate when sensing the vehicle beginning to bog down in the sand. In the mud and sand mode, the Multi-Terrain Select system automatically responds to the driver's accelerator inputs in such a way as to help limit wheel spin and ensure forward momentum. In this case, by limiting engine torque and engaging A-Track to allow more wheel slip than normal. In rock mode, MTS will anticipate terrain with an extremely bumpy surface and will reduce engine torque and employ A-Track to prevent wheel spin and ensure grip.
In summary, Multi-Terrain Select is a driver support system that is driver selectable and automatically adjusts the engine output and A-Track hydraulic brake pressure to optimize driving characteristics and traction.